first I'll take this gear off. And when you put it back on, it'll be obvious which way it goes. Because if you put it on like that, well, it's not gonna work with the shift collar. So it's always good to keep things in order in the way they came off, but it's also good to pay attention when you take them apart, because things like that will tell you, well, it can't go back like that because it wouldn't work. Take this collar off. Okay, I'll flip it over. It's got a snap ring. These are pretty thick, so I wear glasses when I'm pulling on them. This one's gonna come off a little bit funky, I think. I think it'll be a little bit wavy and wonky. You wanna replace them if they get at all funky. Most kits come with new ones. Why we wear glasses. So it looks pretty flat, but it's just a little bit funky. Replace it. It's gonna have these pieces. And you can see in that little hole, there should be a pin, about a 5mm little pin that just slides in. It's not held by anything, it just slides in and out. And the rebuild kit that I bought, it didn't come with one. I had to buy them separately. I think it's called an anti-rotation pin. In the two cases that I took apart, I think maybe 2 of them were sheared off, 2 were missing or something. It might have still had one. I don't know how important they are really, but that pin, it'll fit right into that little hole, and it keeps this from rotating. Like I said, I don't know how important that is, but I can't tell if that one's sheared off or missing. Now we can put back together. So this is when I use petroleum jelly to hold those bearings in place. That row is complete. Anyways, once this is back on, you can put this snap ring back on. And like I said, I would get a new one because this one's funky.